What do you guys think, huh? Pretty cool? Wanna go for a ride? Then I can finally say I have some chicks in the van? Huh? God, I crack myself up. Oh yeah, dreams are reality. When I first got this bus, I demounted these rims, and I was saying I was going to do white, and then the chrome will look awesome. And it does. She got a little hot today. She's smoking. Pretty good. Looks good, and she sounded good. So we finally got the seal that closes up the pop top to the luggage rack. Finally got an inside handle for the sliding door. And we got the crank for the window with a knob. Wow. Most importantly, I got my windshield wiper arms, and figured out I need a 14-inch wiper blade. That one's on, so I can pass inspection. Also, I should probably seal up that windshield a little bit better. So once I get my paperwork all settled down and inspected, do some interior, get it painted up in the interior, get it freshened up on the outside, get it looking pretty cool, pretty snazzy, and then I could start enjoying it. Wait.